What do you think is going to be the best part about living on the boat?
Being on a boat.
Yeah, that's not an easy question.
Being closer to the equator.
What?
Being able to just like, let's just go hop on this island for a bit.
Being
like,
a mermaid.
Constant beach run.
Because that's how it works.
There we go.
I don't have a specific answer. I guess we'll live longer.
Yeah, well,
Technically. Time will move slower for...
And not having to deal with humans
Or
on
humans,
land
yeah.
at all. The end.
the end.
You land lubbers.
When we get to a deserted island somewhere, Paris is just going to escape.
Set up a house.
Nothing but turtles.
Yeah, how are we dealing with PMS on the boat with
I'll
three
get a fish all the
females?
time. That'll be nice.
What? I'm not. Okay, I changed my previous
What'd you
answer
say,
of what
Jaden?
So
stresses
I'll
me
get a
out.
fish all the time.
What really stresses me out is the thought that you guys are gonna try and make me like, I can't even think about scale fish.
Ew. Do we have to do that?
Yes, you've got to do that.
I'll be a vegetarian.
I don't understand why you
I
have a
eat
problem with scaling fish but not
so
eating their dead
gross.
carcasses.
It's so gross. I can eat fish that is already chopped up, cooked,
You're
and all
straight
that.
up in the dog.
Paris.
Same with chickens. I'm gonna go out and pluck it down and cut its head off and throw it in a fryer. If you got a chicken breast in the freezer, I'll throw it in a
That
pan.
escalated.
But I'm not
quickly.
gonna like.
We can just eat like coconuts. Actually, I hate coconuts. We can just eat
Oh, I
mangoes the
love
whole time.
coconuts.
You can have all the coconuts. I'll take all the mangoes.
I don't get any mangoes.
Huh?
You can have the
You can have like
coconuts.
a mango, but not it. You can. We'll trade you mangoes for fish, and then we won't scale them.
Okay.
There
We'll
you
like
go.
peel them and cut them up.
Oh, that's what we can do. We can have a second fridge of chocolate to
Of chocolate.
trade.
And it's our time to
trade with
with
the natives. Throw it and run. I'll trade.
Okay, what is your boat name going to be?
The name of the boat or the name
No.
of us?
Your
on
boat
the
name.
You saying, God, Paris, you weirdo. Okay,
I will have 3 separate boat names.
3?
My everyday boat name is Captain Jack. Or just Jack. Anybody, shut up.
All of them.
And shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Did I ask you? No. And my second boat name will be Mermaid Neptune. And my third, shut up. My third boat name will be the Kraken.
The crap.
and we know when we're using that phrase. The Kraken!
Run!
Okay, Abney, what's your boat name going to be?
I don't have a boat name.
I don't have a boat name.
Jaden's going to dye his beard red and be Redbeard.
Redbeard.
That's so original.
I don't know about you, Jess, but I'm going to call you Skipper. 'Cause that's too cute.
I can be the constable.
The
Alright.
constable.
I'll
Get
throw
out.
you in the brig. Toss you.
Tell me how much time you've spent on a boat before.
Like a day and like 2 hours from that time in Jamaica, and then on John's
We
boat.
spent a day on a boat in Jamaica.
No, and then the 2 hours in Jamaica. He spent a day on the boat with John.
Oh, yeah. I still have tan lines from that.
You're going to be a treat. Tan lines. Jazz, have you ever been on a boat before?
Yeah, like a couple hours, I guess. Never been on a boat for a whole day. A while.
Probably grand total of like 24 hours,
You-
maybe 36.
Wow, look
You're
at
so
all of this.
Why would you go on a boat?
Well, there was a camp that I went to. We spent a lot of time on boats there.
Oh, the redneck
We
camp.
went to
Get out.
Arkansas. I
Get
think.
out. Oh, no, plus
Dad and I went
that
fishing on a
really
boat
doesn't
for
count.
once
That's
for like
not
3
Those
being
are boats.
on a boat.
That's
Those
boat.
are boats.
Okay, how much time have you spent on a sailboat?
Boom.
Well, I've never been on a sailboat.
I've never been on a
Been on-
sailboat.
Ocean boats on the ocean.
Does
but they
that
weren't
boat in
sailboats, they were
Jamaica
motorboats.
count as a sailboat?
About 20 minutes.
No.
Motorboat.
It was a.
then I've
It was
never
like
been on
a.
a
Then still a few hours.
Wow.
Because the boat
So
we went
not
on with
very
John was a
much.
speedboat.
Speedboat.